Okay, so on this question, we are multiplying these two expressions that have letters and numbers in the front and powers. And so how do we do it? Well, remember that we multiply the numbers in the front and we add powers on same letters. So in other words, I'm going to go 3 times 10 is 30. Okay, why don't I put it down here? 3 times 10 is 30. And then what am I going to do with the, so those multiplied, those times 3 times 10. And then the minus 11 and minus 3, that's going to add to be z to the minus 8. Is that good so far? So out front numbers multiply, 3 times 10 is 30. Powers on same letters add negative 11 plus 3 is negative 8. Now, we cannot leave the answer that way. That's so far so good, but not done. Why? It says if a variable has an exponent, a power, it should be positive. So I can't leave that negative power. Powers, exponents mean powers, right? Powers must be positive. That's going to be pretty much all semester, the rest of the semester. They're always going to want us to leave powers as positive. So this power is negative. So what are we going to do? Well, there's a rule that, let me write it for you. Negative powers, they're negative, so they're unhappy. They're unhappy where they're at, like somebody that's unhappy at their job. And then they jump to the other side of the fraction, then become happy. They jump to the new job, then they're happy, then become positive. So in other words, this z to the minus 8 is going to jump down. Now, not the 30. The 30 is good. He's going to stay put. But the z to the minus 8 is going to jump down below a bar and become z to the plus 8, and then that's our answer. Does that make sense? So negative powers are negative. They're unhappy where they're at. They want to jump to the other side of the fraction. And after they jump, then they become positive. Then they're happy at their new spot. And that's the answer, 30 over z to the 8th. So there we go.